Hey there everyone, this is Chris from the Tech Basement, coming to you once again from the basement. Today we're going to take a look at the SteelSeries Arctis 7, and when I say take a look at, we're just going to unbox it for right now. I have not unboxed it, I don't know what it's going to sound like, so that's going to be a separate video. So let's get into this unboxing. There you have it everyone, the unboxing of the Arctis 7. Now, please hit that like button or the dislike button. If you hit that dislike button, please let me know what you did not like. Also, in the discussions down below, tell me what you guys think down there. Tell me what your experiences were or are with the Arctis 7 if you have it, or if you're even looking to get it. Now with that being said, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and this is Chris saying out.